Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be showing you how to make your friends think your slime is gonna change colors. First, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your slime. Mine is in this crystal. So see, you're just going to take it out. See, I have blue slime with stars. Okay, I'm just gonna flatten it out. You can see it. Then I'm gonna take this. I have to hit it. And see, it's changing color. So I'm gonna put it in the slime. So now it looks like it's changing colors. See? This worked on my friends. Well, not my friends, my cousins. And some of my friends. So, if you want to try it, just get something that changes colors and it has protection around it, so it doesn't get mixed in with the slime and gets ruined. So, you can totally try that. I always do it. I tricked my family too. So if you want to do it, I'll link the items down below, and you can try with any slime. Okay. I will be making more videos. Please. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.